Good evening, everybody. It's 11:47 p.m. on Saturday, May 3rd. Good day to you all. 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com. 11:47 Eastern Time, sorry. And kicking off three breaks I have to do tonight. First off, I'm going to do this triple stack of the 2013-14 Titanium. This sold out earlier today. It was up for a couple days, sold earlier today. And here we go with the roster. So it's YouTube reference number 354. Triple stack of Titanium. Team select style. So, Ryan, you have got yourself the Los Angeles Kings. Aaron 2, you have the Rangers. Bummerboy, you have the Islanders, Senators, Jackets, Capitals, Flyers, Canadiens, and the Bruins. Thank you very much for picking up those last few teams to clean this break up. Canes fan Bob, you have the Preds. DJ Nels Mommy, you have your Devils. Downtown got your Canucks. El Donko got the Oilers. Felix Victoria has the Coyotes. Hammond 11CA, you have the Leafs and the Panthers. JJ Wingnut, you have the Ducks, Lightning, and the Wings. Mike 420 Howell, you have the Blues, Stars, Sabres, and Sharks. NJ Devils Man, you have the Penguins. Puck Dynasty, you have the Avs. Subterfuge, you have the Jets and the Wild. The Real Kennedy, you got your Chicago Blackhawks. And Tivoth 88, you have the Flames and the Hurricanes. Last but not least, this is alphabetical, that's why you're at the bottom there. Alright, so here we go. One sec, sorry. Let me pull this up here. Just to make sure that I have the right boxes of titanium. Come on. Click faster. Alright, serial numbers for the box. Okay. So we have serial numbers ending in 658. Yes. Yeah, okay, we're good. Alright, so here's the first box. Here is the first box. Serial number ending for the camcorder ending in 658. As listed. I'm not sure if this was listed first or last on the listing that you bought, but anyway, here's 658. Here we go. Gold Titanium, 5 packs per. 5 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. 1 hit per pack. Titanium's all about. This is the first of 3 boxes. Good luck, everybody. Alright, we have a base, Spezza, base, Lad. First hit for Los Angeles Kings, and Ryan. You've got yourself a Tanner Pearson, rookie reserve, double jersey autograph, numbered 36 out of 100. There you go, my friend. It's purple and black jersey with a sticker autograph. Tanner Pearson for Ryan. Well done. And Stephen Weiss base. Okay, hope he's happy with that. Pack. We have Gabbert base, we have Craig Anderson base, we have, it is the Moose, Mark Messier. Oh, very nice. Metallic Marks Platinum, Mark Messier for the Rangers, and that is Aaron 2. It is a sticker autograph, but it is the autograph of Mark Messier himself. Congratulations. Oops, sorry, the camera's a little off there. There you go. Platinum 1 of 1. I don't see any 101 on there or any kind of serial number on it, but I would imagine the Platinum is a short print version. There you go. Base card of Johnny T. box so far. Hopefully it keeps up. We have Patty Kane base. We have Chara base. We have game-worn gear for the Rangers. That has Aeronome 2. Derek Stefan, game-worn gear. Jersey. Braden Holtby base. Logan Couture base. We have Hodgson base. And for the Chicago Blackhawks, even though it's pictured in Boston Bruin jersey, it is Max Sauve for the Blackhawks. It is a metallic marked bronze. So, but imagine it is not the short print version. Chicago is Real Kennedy, so there you go. Hit for you, Bill. Pacioretty base. The Moose is loose. Mark Messier autograph, very nice. Backstrom base, Dustin Brown base, and we have a game-worn gear for the Philadelphia Flyers. White swatch, Zach Rinaldo. And Philly is property of Bummer Boy. There you go. And we have a David Perron base card there. All right. That is the first box in the books. Second box, ending it in 587 for the camcorder. And for the XSplit video, 587. Here we are. The second kick at the can, as it were. Packs. Here we go. Starting off, Louis Eriksson base, Corey Crawford base, and hey, if you didn't like the first one, here's another one for you. And it is the same white swatch. Zach Rinaldo, game-worn gear for the Philadelphia Flyers, and Jack. I don't know if it's congratulations or not, but you got another one, in case you didn't like the first white one. There you go. And Tuukka Rask base. Next up, Backstrom, Bufflin, and this one will have to be randomed. It is a game-worn gear of a very nice pair. We have Gordie Howe and Mark Howe. This is short printed, number 11 of 15. Very nice hit. See right in the middle there, it says 11 of 15. That is very nice. So, Detroit is JJ Wingnut, and Philly is Bummer Boy. So that'll have to be random. I'll do all the randoms at the end with my deck of cards. So we'll save that for later. That is a nice hit. We have Bobrovsky. And what we have here is like a double hit pack. Yes, it is. We have a rookie, Connor Carrick. This is numbered out of 100, so 51 of 100. So this will be the draft position parallel, I believe. This is for the Washington Capitals. Washington is Jack Bummerboy. So there you go. Semi-case hit for you. And for the Anaheim Ducks, we have a titanium reserve of Ricard Raquel. Autograph, sticker auto, not numbered. Is that a rookie though? Rookie autograph. Anaheim is property of J.J. Wingnut. Yep, not numbered. Cal Clutterbuck. Next up, Jason Spezza base, Andrew Ladd base. And for the Edmonton Oilers, he has Philippe Corneau, or Cornet. For the Edmonton Oilers, Edmonton is property of El Donko. So metallic marks, autograph for you. Philippe Corneau. Or Cornet. Philip Cornet, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Carlson base. And the last pack of box number 2. Crosby base at the back there. Gabbard base. Craig Anderson base. And it looks like we have another Zach Rinaldo hit for the Philadelphia Flyers. This is the metallic marks version. Zach Rinaldo autograph. So triple Rinaldo so far in this triple box break. That's for Jack again. Sidney Crosby base. That is the last pack of box number 2. And finally, box number 3, ending in 971 for the camcorder. And for the XSplit video, Goonbox, 971. There you go. He sure loves them, absolutely. Okay. Last chance for the Vancouver box that Downtown wanted. Hopefully he's happy with us. Alright. Ronaldo hat trick. Next. So first pack out of the third and final box. And my screensaver just came on. 1 second. There we go. Alright, starting off, Eberle base, Carey Price base, and for the Boston Bruins, Louis Eriksson autograph. This is the Titanium Reserve for Boston. Boston is Bummer Boy. And Clark MacArthur base. Mike Fisher base, Dion Phaneuf, and Gabe Gear for the Vancouver Canucks. Exciting white swatch. It is Daniel Sedin for Vancouver. Downtown. That is your card. Mike Smith base. Exciting. Thrilling. Thrilling white swatch. Alright, next up. Hiller base. Brayden Schenn base. And we have a game-worn gear for the New Jersey Devils. Oh, autograph version. This is numbered 27 out of 100. Believe that or not, it is Travis Zajac for the New Jersey Devils. New Jersey is property of DJ and Al's mommy. So sticker auto, black jersey swatch. There you go, autograph version. Drew base. Some Nuge in the back there. We have Michael Grabner, Eric Broussard. Ooh, private signings. Private signings, and I believe these are numbered this year. Yes, they are. For the Carolina Hurricanes, it is Jared Stahl. Number 27. The other one was numbered to 27 too. Number 27 to 199. Hard signed rookie autograph, I believe. I think Jared is a rookie this year. Very nice. Carolina is property of T-Both, 88. glad they numbered the private signings this year. And the final pack, the last chance for glory, my friends. Who is this hit going to? Luongo, base. Zetterberg, base. And, hey, for the Leafs, it is a Phil Kessel Metallic Marks silver version for none other than the Toronto Maple Leafs, and that is a Hammond 11CA. No, I'm not posting, Zach. There you go. Last chance for glory goes to Hammond 11CA with Toronto. All right. So we're going to random off the Gordie Howe, Mark Howe jersey, number 11 of 15. So with my random team rules, I have my deck of 30 NHL team cards. I will shuffle and I will cut. I will start drawing off the top. Whatever team pops up first, Detroit or Philadelphia, will win that card. So who is Mr. Ed Hockley going to favor today? In for the cut. There we go. Good luck. We have the Oilers, new. Anaheim, Habs, Flames, Detroit, Rock City. There you go. So the Detroit Red Wings will win the Gordie Howe, Mark Howe double jersey card here. Congratulations to JJ Wingnut. Very nice hit. Probably the best. I would say is the best hit of the 3-box. Multi-box break here. So congratulations to the Wingnut. And I'll show you the there's Philly there, close to the bottom, so they were in the deck. Alright, that is the completion of the break. I thank you all for your support at 643boxbreaks.com. Hope to see you in the next one. And of course, go check out 643boxbreaks.com every night for auctions and buy it now hockey. Take care, guys. Bye-bye now.